Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, hope you all are doing well and taking your video lessons regularly. This is your English text class. Student, in the previous classes we have started a lesson, Natural Beauty of Pakistan, and there was a poem, My Blessed Beautiful Land. It is on page number 21, and in this poem what we have it was about the beautiful places of Pakistan, and discussing the four provinces, Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And how many stanzas were there? There are four stanzas, and in each stanza the poet discuss about each province. In the first stanza the poet discuss about Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In the second he discuss about Balochistan, and in the third stanza about the Punjab, and the last stanza is about Sindh. So, and the poet of this poem is anonymous. Anonymous means that the poet is unknown. We do not know the name of the poet. Okay, class. Then we have started. We have done exercises. Exercise number 1. In the second exercise, the meanings were given, and you will have to write the word in the poem. Okay, and hopefully you have done it. Okay, students, what you will do in your notebook, how to start the chapter. As you know that we open your notebook, and as you know, first we write make the title page. It is unit number 2. What is the name of this chapter? Natural Beauty of Pakistan. And in the next page, what you will do, you will have to copy down the poem very neatly and perfectly in your notebook. There are 4 stanzas, and in the next page, what you will do, you will have to write English and Urdu meanings of the following words. And what are the words? The words, you will have to make the 5 column for the word, part of speech, English meanings and Urdu meanings. And where you will take the words, you will take the words from the book. Okay, it's from stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3 and stanza number 4. Okay, you will have to copy down all the words like this with their Urdu meanings and part of speech. You can see it clearly. If you do not get the word, get the meaning, open the dictionary, look up the meaning in the dictionary. You can easily get the meaning. Okay, in this way you will have to do the words meaning in your notebook. What the poem is about? It is about the natural beauty of Pakistan, and as you know that natural beauty is unmatched in Pakistan, and 4 provinces of the country have many world-seeing places to visit. And we should always pray to God for its security and prosperity. Okay, and then because we are blessed people that we have such a beautiful country, हमारे पास इतना खूबसूरत country है, and there are so many world-seeing places, sightseeing places हैं जिनको हम visit कर सकते हैं. Many tourists come and visit these places, and we should always pray to Allah that may Allah keep our country safe and sound. May Allah keep our country secure. Okay, now what is for today? I decided to do the synonym antonyms of the given word. As you can see on the whiteboard, I have written 15 words here. As we have done in unit number 1, there are also 15 words. So what is the first word? Well, we have a first word, that is safe and sound. What is the meaning of safe and sound? In good condition. And if we get the synonym, so as you know that synonym and antonym must be of one word. Okay, this is the requirement to give the synonym and antonym. So what will be the synonym of this word? Secure or safe. And antonym will be easy to learn, easy to comprehend, easy to remember, that is insecure and unsafe. Now we have a next word. Brave. What is the meaning of brave? As we know that you are very familiar about this word. Brave means bahadur, but instead of using brave, brave and brave again, instead of using brave, you will have to use gallant now. Okay? Because synonym antonyms tells you that variety of words, so you can use it in your composition. While you are doing composition, जब आप composition कर रहे हो, it helps you a lot. आपको ये list बहुत help करती है. So please try to remember it forever. Okay? So what will be the antonym of this word? Cover and desert. Desert means Sahara, as you know that. Barren land. The synonym will be barren land. Barren land is actually a compound word. And meadow. The meadow is means सबसे जहाँ बहुत greenery होती है. That place, a green place is called the meadow. Now we have a next word, brown. Brown means the mountains of mountains are brown. So brown means brown in color. And so what will be the synonym of this word? Tan. Okay. And then we have इसका हमारे पास antonym नहीं है. So leave it. It's not necessary to give the antonym or synonym of each word if you do not find. Then we have a next word, fond. Fond means होता है originate, means होता है originate, and abandon. Abandon, as you know that leave का मतलब होता है leave. Abandon means होता है to leave the place, to leave something. So this is the antonym of this word. Precious. Precious means होता है कीमती, that something is precious, that something is valuable. Okay, कोई चीज़ valuable है and कोई चीज़ जो valuable नहीं है, that is called the worthless. That is the thing, this thing is worthless for you. Okay, this is the antonym. Then we have a next word, fearless. Fearless is an adjective that is used for the people Fearless is an adjective used for the people of Balochistan in this poem. Okay, and what is the synonym? Very easy. Fearless, bold or gallant, and the antonym is timid and coward. Okay, and then we have a fertile place. As you have read the poem and you know that we have a fertile plain, green plains in Punjab. Punjab means क्या होता है? The land of 5 rivers. And fertile means क्या होता है? जो zarafe की sense में आता है, very productive. So what will be the synonym? This is productive, and antonym is very easy to learn, that is infertile. Okay, now we have a next word, and this I think so this is a new word for you, but now you are quite familiar about with this word. So renowned. Renowned means famous, popular, known. So what will be the synonym? Famous. I have written only the one word, but instead of famous you can well known, you can be written, popular can be written, and then we have an antonym, that is unknown. Okay. Then we have a tales. Tales means क्या होता है? Stories होती हैं, fables होते हैं, and then we have जो stories, एक तो stories होती हैं जिनको हम fabricate करते हैं, यानी खुद से बनाते हैं, and then we have इसका antonym क्या होगा? अरे जो story नहीं होती वो क्या होते हैं? जाहिर सी बात है वो होते हैं आपके fact. वो आपकी क्या होती है? Reality. So what will be the, because this is noun and story is also noun, and look at this word, reality and fact is also noun. Okay, while doing synonym antonym, this is important to careful about the part of speech. If we have a verb, then you will have to give the synonym and antonym in the form of verb. If we have adjective, then our synonym and antonym must be adjective, as I have written. Precious में देख लीजिए, precious is an adjective, and valuable also is an adjective, and worthless is also an adjective. Okay, so now come to the legend. Legend का मतलब क्या होता है? That is myth, and is having the same antonym, that is reality and fact. Now we have a next word, profound, and profound means क्या होता है? गहरा, जिसको उर्दू में कहते हैं great, and जो हल्का, यानी जिसका हल्का असर होता है, great effect नहीं हो, तो उसका क्या होता है? उसका antonym क्या होगा? That will be mild. Okay. Mount. Now come to the mount. Mount कहाँ use हुआ है? In the last stanza we have read this word, and it is for the Mohenjo-daro. As you know that Mohenjo-daro means क्या होता है? Mount of death. So mount is such a small hill, and for this we have a synonym he. एंड एंटोनिम इज प्लेन। एक हमारे पास कोई ढेर होता है, कोई पहाड़ी होती है छोटी सी, और एक उसके लिए जो उसका एंटोनिम हम यूज़ करेंगे वो क्या यूज़ करेंगे, प्लेन यूज़ करेंगे। एंशंट, एंशंट जो ancient means old means qadim, and what will be the it's very easy to tell the antonym of this word, that is new. Okay, now we have the last word, that is resourceful. Okay, resourceful means talented. The people who know how to explore the new things, how to do the things with the new जो माहिर होते हैं, जो किसी नई चीज़ से कोई चीज़ बनाना सिखाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिसोर्सफुल. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम विल बी, इट विल बी टैलेंटेड एंड the antonym will be talentless. Okay, so you will have to copy down this list. You will have to mention the serial number as well. I forgot to mention here, मैं यहाँ भूल गई हूँ, but you will have to make the column for serial number and make 3 columns. One is for the word, another is for synonyms, and the last column is for antonyms, and you will have to copy down your the list, copy down the list in your notebook properly and neatly. So come to the homework. What is the homework? You will have to do the word spelling as I told you, I explained you in the beginning of the lecture, and synonym antonyms in your notebook. Inshallah Taala, I hope you will do your work properly and neatly. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.